Welcome to Business News. As local manufacturers grapple with inadequate infrastructure and insufficient funding, government has been advised to develop a national industrial policy that will address these problems and engender growth in that sector. These were the views of Managing Director of the Bank of Industry, Rashid Olaoluwa, and the banker, Abubakar Sulaiman, in an interview with NTA Business News.
Almost all the countries that are industrialized today had protective policies of their own domestic manufacturers. The same thing that the WTO preaches against. So I think Nigeria needs to navigate this very sensitively, very strategically, in a way that we will be seen not to have contravened WTO, but we'll still get what we want, because that's the only way to really break the barrier to industrializing.
The person that is coming to you to ask for money must show that they have in the past been able to successfully manage a business. A lot of people don't have that. And that is why when you look back, the industrialists of the 1960s in Nigeria are not the same as the one of the 70s. They're not the same as the one of the 80s. And I will have the one of the 90s. They're also different. It means that companies are not surviving their owners or their founders.
Given the importance of the sector to the economy, they are of the opinion that efforts towards revamping the sector must be driven by patriotism and sincerity of purpose. They explained that not only should manufacturers develop capacity to produce competitive goods, but also acquire the relevant technology to do so. They added that government must create an environment where the private sector is motivated to be a catalyst for the nation's industrial development. And to movement of stocks at the close of business on the floor of the Nigeria Stock Exchange today. Investors purchased more than 202.72 million shares at 1.48 billion naira in 3,012 deals. Market capitalization finished at 9.34 trillion naira, while the O-share index closed at 27,180.76 points. And that's Business News. Thanks for watching.